Assalamu alaikum. Okay, students, we are starting our lesson. Last time we were doing equation of the plane when the point through which the plane is passing, that is given, and the perpendicular vector to the plane was given. That was the first case to find the equation of the plane. And the second case when the 3 points on the plane are given. The 3 points on the plane are given. Today we are doing the question of exercise 12.5. That exercise I have already sent you in the group. So the same exercise, the question number 8 of the exercise. On the first page of the exercise, 887, find the equation of a line which is passing through the point 2, 4, 5 and perpendicular to the plane 3x plus 7y minus 5z is equal to 21. This is the equation of the plane. Remember, equations of the line. I'm writing the equation of the line. Parametric equations. X is equal to x naught plus at, y is equal to y naught plus bt, z is equal to z naught plus ct. These are the parametric equation of the straight line. Junaid Furqan, 64044. Okay. So this is the equation of the straight line. If the equation is given, how to find the parallel vector to the line and the point through which the line is passing? So these are the coordinates of the point. X naught, Y naught, Z naught are the coordinates of the point through which the line is passing. X naught, Y naught and Z naught. These are the coordinates of the point through which the line is passing. And the vector parallel to the line will be equal to V. AI, the X coordinate, AI plus BJ plus CK. In this way, when the line is given in parametric form, we can find the point through which the line is passing, the point P naught, X naught, Y naught, Z naught, and the vector V, which is parallel to the line. And how to find the equation of the line when the point and the vector are given? So X will be equal to X naught plus AT, Y is equal to Y naught plus BT, Z is equal to Z naught plus CT. This is the equation of the line. And the equation of the plane. What is the equation of the plane? Equation of the plane. I told you the equation of the plane is ax plus by, the capital AX plus capital BY plus capital C Z is equal to K or plus K, etc. Plus K equal to 0 or equal to K. This is the equation of the plane. We can't find from the equation of the plane, just like we found the point P, but we can find the vector perpendicular to the plane. We can find the vector perpendicular to the plane. That is A, the coefficient of X. This is the vector perpendicular to the plane, therefore it is called N. N means the normal vector. Normal means perpendicular to the vector. AI plus BJ plus CK. That we found. We can find the equation of the normal to the plane. When the equation of the plane is given, we can find the equation of the normal to the plane. That is AI plus BJ plus CK. And the equation of the line is given, so we can find the vector parallel to the line. Vector parallel to the line and the point through which the line is passing. One point through which the line, there are unlimited points, but one point we can find through which the line is passing. And here there are also unlimited points, but we can't find any point from the equation. But we can find the normal vector to the plane. AI plus BJ plus CK. This is the normal vector to the plane. Aslan Tariq, 63578. Okay, now we'll do the question. Question number 8 of the same exercise, exercise 12.5. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 245 and perpendicular to the plane. 3x plus 7y minus 5z is equal to 21. So I am doing question number 8. Question number 8. Point is given through which the line is passing. That point is 2, 4, 5. And the line is perpendicular to the plane. Equation of the plane is given 3x plus 7y minus 5z is equal to 21. So we have to find the equation of a line which is perpendicular to the given plane and passing through this point. Okay. Muhammad Zishan Said 64126. 4 1 to 6. Muhammad Zishan Saeed. Okay. Then Naveed Ali Shah 63274. Muhammad Qavi Kamal 64145. Yes, Naveed Ali Shah. You have marked 4 absents. 2 days on 31st and 2 days on 7th. So your absent are 4. Okay. This is the plane. This is the point. We have to find the equation of line which is perpendicular to this plane. So we'll find the vector perpendicular to the plane. We will find the vector perpendicular to the plane. I told you how to find the vector perpendicular to the plane. N will be equal to 3i plus 7j minus 5k. This is the vector perpendicular to the plane. We have to find the equation of line which is perpendicular to the plane passing through this point. So that means perpendicular to the plane. So this is the vector perpendicular to the plane. It means the line will be parallel to this vector. The line will be parallel to this vector. We will use the same method to find the parametric equations of the line. Remember that there are 2 types of equation in straight line, parametric and symmetric. But in plane there is one type of equation, that is only one equation. This is ax plus by plus cz is equal to k, or ax plus by plus cz minus k equal to 0. Only one type of equation, parametric equation of the line. This parametric or symmetric means we are finding the equation of the line. X will be equal to 2 plus 3t. Y is equal to 4 plus 7t. Z is equal to 5 minus 5t. These are the parametric equations of the line. If we are asked to find the symmetric equation, we can also find the symmetric equation. How to find symmetric? Of the line. How to find x minus 2 divided by 3 equal to y minus 4 divided by 7 equal to z minus 5 divided by minus 5 is equal to t. These are the symmetric equations. This is the symmetric equation. These are the parametric equation, and these are the symmetric equations. A line which is passing through the point 2, 4, 5 and perpendicular to the vector 3x plus 7y minus 5z equal to 21. In the same way, you have to do question number 9. Now, planes, find equation for the planes 21 to 26. This is the first method. I told you how to find the equation of plane when one point and the perpendicular vector is given. Question number 22. Find equations for the planes in exercise 21 to 26. So the first question, the plane through 1, minus 1, 3 and perpendicular to the plane 3x plus y, sorry, and parallel to the plane 3x plus y plus z equal to 7. Question number 22. Question number 22. Equation of plane is to be found. Passing through the point P, one comma minus 1 comma 3 and parallel to the plane, parallel to the plane 3x plus y plus z equal to 7. Find the equation of the plane passing through this one and parallel to the plane. So point is given. We will find the normal vector. Normal vector means the vector normal to the plane. So if it is normal to this plane, so that will the plane or normal to that plane also, because both planes are parallel. So if the normal of this plane is this one, normal vector 3i plus j plus k. This is the normal vector. If the required plane is parallel to this one and this plane is normal to this vector, so that vector which is parallel to this one will also be normal to this vector. Both vectors have the same normal if they are parallel. They are a parallel line. So therefore, we take another point x on the plane. So px, we will find the vector px, x minus 1i plus y plus 1j plus z minus 3k. This is the normal vector. This is the vector on the plane. One point was given. We consider another point x, y, z. We consider another point x, x, y, z on the plane. So then we found the vector px, x minus 1i plus y plus 1j plus z minus 3k. Now we take the dot product of normal vector and the plane as we already have done. The first case of the plane was this one, then one point is given and the normal vector is given. So one point is given, we took another point on the plane and back took the vector, we found the vector, and then we take the dot product with n dot px equal to 0. We use this relationship to find the equation. Now Rayan Shahid came 64254. Okay. So we take n dot px equal to 0. We use the equation, use the formula. This is the formula to find the equation of the plane. So n is 3i plus j plus k dot x minus 1i plus y plus 1j plus z minus 3k. This is n, this is px equal to 0. Here you can see 3i plus j plus k dot x minus 1i plus y plus 1j. So it means that dot is in between this one and this one only, not with the whole vector. So we will put the square bracket so that this vector is being multiplied scalarly with the whole vector. If you do not put this bracket, it means this is the dot product of this vector with x minus 1i only, not with others. So we have to write the big bracket, the square bracket. Take the dot product. 3i is multiplied with the I component. So this is the I component, this 3. So 3 into x minus 1. J component is multiplied with the j component. This is 1 plus 1. Plus 1 is multiplied by y plus 1. 1 into y plus 1. In the same way, k is multiplied by k. K the 1 with z minus 3 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Open the brackets. 3x minus 3 plus y plus 1 plus z minus 3 equal to 0. The final answer 3x plus y plus z minus 3 and minus 3 minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 equal to 0. This is the equation of the plane, or you may shift 5 on the other side. So it will become 3x plus y plus z equal to 5. 3x plus y plus z is equal to 5. If you shift minus 5 on the other side, otherwise this is also okay. So that was question number 22. When one point on the plane is given and the plane must be parallel to the given plane. The equation of another plane is given and this plane is parallel to this one. So from the given plane, we will find the vector perpendicular to the plane, the normal vector of the plane. That is 3i plus j plus k. And then we take another point x on the given plane, x, y, z, and we found the vector px. Px is equal to x minus 1i plus y plus 1j plus z minus 3k. Now this vector and this vector will take the dot product. We will take the dot product to find the equation of the plane. Dot product of these vectors equal to 0 because both are perpendicular. Therefore, this normal vector and this line is perpendicular. So dot product of the perpendicular vector will be equal to 0. So we'll take the dot product and dot px, and is this one, px is this one. Took the dot product, I is multiplied with I, j is multiplied with j, k is multiplied with k, and this is the answer. 3x minus 3x plus y plus z minus 5 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the plane. Now question number 23. The plane through the given point, the 3 points are given. That we have already done in the last class. We found the equation of the plane which is passing through 3 points. We'll mark them A, B, C. We'll mark all the 3 points A, B, C. We will find the vector AB. We will find the vector AC. Then we take the cross product of AB and cross AC. The answer will be the normal vector. The answer of this cross product will be a normal vector. And then we'll find the vector Px. That means we'll take the point A and we'll take the point X on the plane X, Y, Z. And we'll find the vector Ax, and then n dot Ax equal to 0. We will find the equation of the plane. Muhammad Ibrahim 63800. Understood this one? Have you understood question number 23? And 24 is the same. 3 points are given. You will find the equation of plane. Six two six zero six. Sayyid Muhammad Azhar. Why you are joining privately? Why not through LMS? All the students must join through LMS. Otherwise, you may be marked absent. Again and again, every day I'm telling you. But don't come to me next time that I marked absent, I was present over there. If you will mark absent, you don't tell me that I'm marked absent, I was present. Okay, the next question, question number 25. The plane, find the equation of the plane through the point 2, 4, 5 and perpendicular to the vector x is equal to 5 plus t. X is equal to 5 plus t. Question number 25. Plane through 2, 4, 5 2, 4, 5 and perpendicular to the line x is equal to 5 plus t. Y is equal to 1 plus 3t and z is equal to 4t. We will find the equation parallel to the line. So that will be the equation B. 1i, that means I, plus 3j plus 4k. This is the line. This is the vector parallel to the line. This is the vector parallel to the line. And we have